Magnifi Financial Platform Review. Watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume financial planning platforms are complicated or expensive, but Magnifi aims to simplify investing with AI-driven insights and personalized guidance. Magnifi is designed to help investors, whether beginners or experienced, make informed decisions. One standout feature is its research aggregation. Instead of searching multiple sources for stock or ETF analysis, Magnifi consolidates insights from thousands of articles, earnings reports, and market data in one place. Most people assume that AI-driven investing is impersonal. The surprising truth is Magnifi personalizes recommendations based on your portfolio, risk tolerance, and goals. For example, if you favor dividend stocks, it will highlight relevant opportunities and track performance trends over time. Another advantage is the News and Insights feature. It gives real-time updates on portfolio holdings, industry news, and market movements. This helps users react quickly without spending hours reading financial news. Magnifi also includes customizable watch lists and alerts to keep you informed. However, Magnifi isn't a brokerage. You still need a separate account to execute trades. The platform is more about research, tracking, and insights than direct investing. Some advanced features may require a subscription. If you want a tool that makes financial research faster, more organized, and personalized, Magnifi is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial platforms and investing tools.